Yes, I made this chaos while presenting you the letter C. But now I will show you how to write it. But first, let's clean the room. Before we begin, let's go to the table, as we need a paper and a pencil. Don't worry, to help you see better, we will zoom in on the paper first. Okay, now let's start with the uppercase or capital letter C. To write the uppercase letter C, it's actually easy. Curve from top to bottom, leaving it open. They are not perfect, that's okay. We are learning, and with practice, they will become better. Don't hesitate to use your eraser and begin again. We are nearly done with the first line. Okay, let's start our second line. This time, I don't have guidelines like in the first line, where I had the letter C in gray to guide me. Be brave! You can do it! Now that we have finished writing the uppercase or capital letter C, let's do the lowercase letter C. To write lowercase c, start with a small tail. This will be used to link other letters if C is inside a word. Then curve around to make the letter C. Of course, when C starts a word, you don't need the little tail. As I said earlier, if you make mistakes, don't hesitate to use your eraser and start again. You see, I make mistakes too, and that's okay. Our first line is done. Now, let's start the second. Just to left, then all done. In fact, we are not done yet. Do you remember that we learned to write the letters A and B in our previous episodes? Now, let's combine them with the letter C and write cab, which means a taxi in London. Take your time and write cab, C-A-B. Excellent! Now write cab 2 times again, but without the gray guides. Great job! Time to rest. But before that, can you type cab in the comments? Don't forget to keep practicing. The LIIAMRA Learning Workbook can help you along the way. Hope to see you soon on the LIIAMRA Learning Channel.